Okay, welcome back again to Tradespeople's Tips with Ala. Right, now I've sorted out all my bits, and these are the bits I need. I'm just showing you just how much I need out of everything that I've shown you. Right, now I've got these self-tappers. Now, self-tappers are the screws that you have with points on them, see? They go through wood. They've all with wall plugs, similar but not exactly the same. These one offer threaded screws, nuts sort of thing, yeah? So they would be going into something like here. See that? So what we've got 4 of these self-tappers. 1, 2, you get the option of long ones or short ones. That's why you have so many screws. Right? So those 4s will go into where you have the countersunk hole in the backing plate. Now that backing plate is just for that to go on. So we're going to screw that to the wooden frame, because we've got a wooden frame. The bits I showed you earlier on, that tilts, you see the angle? And on the other one, again, this one tilts up or down. So we have that angle, and on the one before we have, we'll stop messing around and show you them both. We have that angle, we have that angle. So that one is like that, and that one is like that. So we got both angles, right? And we got the flat, so we're just going to use a flat one. So it's a flat, 4 self-tapper screws. These screws here, with the captive nuts in there, they will only fit on one way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it will go on like that. So make sure when you're putting it on, you've got it the right way up, because it doesn't work that way around, because the holes doesn't line up. Okay, earlier on I showed you a little, see if I can find it. I think it's in this bag here. What I called a resistor. It's not a resistor, it's a diode. Alright, but we won't be needing that because we were not connecting ours to our existing doorbell. We're just going to run it as it is. So we're going to get our battery, plug it in, and we're going to set it up on the table first, because you're going to need this QR code. I think it's a QR code, it's called, whatever it is. I'll edit it and put the name in properly, and then set it all up on the table. But in the meantime, I'm going to see if I can stick this on the wall. Alright, see in a second. Right, this is the flat surface where we're going to put our thing. It says 4 feet from the ground, but we're just going to put it in line with our original doorbell. So we're just going to put our 4 screws just in. Oh, see, make sure you got it the right way. I've got it the wrong way. Around just there. Alright, so I'm going to get me screwdriver and screw it in. There we are. Got my 4 screws in, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I got to do now is screw those 4 in once I put it on. And that ain't going nowhere. Use the electric screwdriver, zip, 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 in. See you in a minute. Right, what am I going to do? Can you see me? Yeah. Right, we're back again, and we've now got our doorbell set up. A bit of a drama. So what we're going to do now is get our 4 screws. Put them over here. We're going to try and catch those without losing them in the dark. Yeah, so if we get that, line it up with the hole in the bottom. Oh, come on. Hang on, let's get this screw through the hole first. Yeah, screw around here. Yeah, get it lined up. So first one in, second one goes in just there. Second one in. Third one's gone on the floor somewhere. Hang on, let's get this one in. Trying to not around this side. Yeah, no, no, alright, that's one there. Hey, do you want to see the one on the floor? We can't see it anywhere at the moment. This is a good reason why we have 5. So we're gonna find the other one and put it in. Because it's dropped, it could have bounced anywhere. Get another one out of the bag. Pull through it there. Right, we managed to find our screw back, so now we're going to put the cap on. Remember? There? Locate in, then press down. Alright, we've got a screw at the bottom, which is here. That goes in there. Let's catch that by hand. As you can see, we're trying to do this in the dark like we're geniuses. Switch your screwdriver bit round to your torque. Don't go mad on it, just tighten it up. That's it. That's your Ring doorbell installed. So we'll tell you about the software in a minute. That was a nightmare. Anyway, here we go. Thanks for watching. Good luck in fitting it, but follow the on-screen installation and you should be fine. Trade people steps, saying laters people.